Good evening, friends. How are you guys doing? Warm welcome to one and all for the 17th session of the Super 25 program, India's largest online stock traders conference. Today is 23rd May 2020. We have with us Mr. Brijesh Bhatia, the head of research of Deal Money Securities Private Limited. The topic of his discussion today is technical analysis limited to trading? Let me give a quick introduction to him. Brijesh has been working right now as head of research in Deal Money Securities. It was initially called as Destimony Securities Private Limited. Before that, he has worked with many financial institutions like Edelweiss Broking, UTI Securities, and LKP. He has appeared in many of the TV programs like CNBC Bazaar, BTV, Bloomberg Quint, and so on as an expert analyst to share his views on markets. Well, Brijesh, on behalf of the entire Super 25 participants and my extended Traders Gurukul family, I extend my warm welcome and greetings to you for being a part of this session today. So it's indeed my
giving me an opportunity to share my knowledge on your platform.
So it's really great to have you on board. So I will not delay anymore. So friends, let's welcome Brijesh to our session. And Brijesh, the stage is yours. Please go ahead.
Thanks a lot, Ashok. Okay. So before starting, I would just like to go through how the webinar will go. So we'll be discussing how the what are the functions we will be discussing in the content. So it will go for around 75 to 90 minutes. Then for another 30 minutes, we will take a questionnaire. So Ashok will be presenting your questions to me, and I will be answering one by one. Okay. So just for first 10 minutes, I would like to throw something for you on how do you trade. Okay. So it's a myth that मेरे को trading करना, if I want to do trading, the best is technical analysis. If I want to do investments, the best is fundamental analysis. If I want to look for horizon of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, so people has a thing that okay, if company is performing, fundamentals are strong, management is strong, all the fundamentals which are good, it's a best bet for 10 years point of view. But I would say, why not use a technical analysis for your 5 years view, 10 years view, 15 years view? Okay. Uh, so in today's session, we will be discussing on how to use technical analysis, and I'll be explaining one theory, the Wyckoff theory, which I've been using for nearly now 8-9 years for my investment point of view and also my trading point of view. But largely, I'm using it for an investment point of view where I have seen stock giving me a return of around 40 to 50%. So just to ask you all, don't you not need to answer to me, just answer yourself. Okay, when you are investing, okay, say your horizon is 3 years, what kind of returns you are expecting? Are you expecting 30 to 40% return, 50% return? Are you expecting 100% return? Are you expecting 2x? Are you expecting 3x? Okay.
I
See,
prefer
with the
25% year on year.
okay. So Ashok is preferring 25% year on year. So in case if I just look at the 3 years time, he is expecting roughly around 70, 75%, 80% returns. Okay. So I would say 3.5 years, a stock should double, right?
Yeah.
As per Ashok's theory of around 25%. Okay. For me, yes, I also prefer at least 3 years stock should double. 3.5 years, I am happy when if the stock is getting doubled. Okay. And if you just look at the technical side, okay, and it's a psychology that everyone wants to buy a stock at best cheap level. Okay, so as me and Ashok were discussing, what is the market you are expecting, and he was expecting in case it's 63 on cards, he will go all in. Okay, so everyone wants to buy the best possible cheapest trade. Okay, and everyone want to sell the best highest level in the markets. Okay, it never ever happens. Okay, so believe me, you could be one of the in the lakhs that you could be catching a bottom or nearly 1 or 2% of bottoms. Okay, so just before investing or before trading, see, trading is altogether a different ball game. Okay, in case you are trading intraday, in case you are trading swing, and in case I would say I am a trader who look for a trade for 6 months also. So for 6 months, investment is not an investment. The amount which I buy for 6 months a trade. So for that, it's not an investment for fee. For 6 months is a trading for me. Okay, and I frankly don't do intraday trading, and I am pure of swing trading, or I would look for a 6 months view also. Even if it's a short bet, I'm looking for 3 to 6 months short bet also. Which if the stock is giving me 30 to 40% downside, I'm happy to go for a short on 2 months, 3 months point of view. Okay, so technical analysis will also help you to find a stock from an investment point of view. Okay, so I'll be sharing some of the charts, some of the theory which I use from purely from investment point of view, and these are the stocks. I'm not talking in hindsight. These are the stock which I have shared on Twitter also. Okay, and in case you go, I have been sharing some of the old charts, not the recent one, because that's the reason I am taking, because I have shared that chart on Twitter, the live charts, and I'll show you the results which it has given me. Okay, so before moving on to the session on theory, okay, I would just add something for you all. Okay, okay, how many of you play teen patti, or I would say poker, anything? Okay, say these are the three cards. Okay, you know, no need to answer in your chat box. Okay, just think, in case there are five people on the table sitting in front of with you, including you, there are five people. So if you look at the screen, there are three guys, two girls. Okay, say you are playing teen patti or a poker, you got uh, these three cards in your hand. Okay, what will you do? Or I would say I would twist a question for you. Say you are having a trading system defined by you on your own analysis. Okay, and in that system, say you using price action, you are using RSI, and you are using MACD. Okay, say RSI and price action is giving you a good buy, but MACD is not giving you a good buy. What will you do? Okay, similarly, I am saying, okay, if in these three cards, the two are the black one, 9 and J, and the four is the different card. So similarly, price action is J, RSI is 9 and MACD is 4. So RSI and price action are supporting your system. MACD is not supporting the system. So will you go for a trade? Yes or no? Okay. So you no need to answer in the question space. You just think of yourself. Okay. This is just a psychology things I'm giving, because when we go into the session, this psychology will really help you out. Okay, so that's what first round. In second round, you got 2, 3, 4. Okay, so those who are playing poker or teen patti, a 2, 3, 4 is a sequence, a slightly better card. Okay, so will you go all in on this card, or will you look for a partial investment? Think on your system. So in case in this card, you know I have 2, 3 and 4, a good sequence number, but remember, this is the lowest sequence in teen patti. Okay, this is the lowest sequence in teen patti. So in case someone on the table has even 4, 5, 6, or even 3, 4, 5, will beat you. Okay, so second lowest is 3, 4, 5. So in case someone has 3, 4, 5, can beat you. So just think, will you go all in with these three cards? So now your price action, now your RSI, now your MACD, all three are supporting you. Okay, all three are supporting you. Still you will go, or you will go for 50% investment. So in case you're regularly you buy 5 lots, you go for 7 lots, or you will go for 3 lots, or you will go for 2 lots. Okay, just think on it. So in case you are not a trader and you are looking for an investment bet. Okay, so they say this is a Infosys stock, and you think, yeah, 234 as per my system Infosys is a good buy, and you are planning to deploy 10 lakhs in Infosys. So will you go 10 lakhs all in at one time, or you will go 1 lakh and look what the other tables are people are indicating? Okay, so let me put round 3. Now you have one of the best card in Teen Patti. Okay, so you have AAA. Okay, so this is the top card. You can beat everyone. Okay, now remember the psychology on table. Okay, when you're sitting in front of 5, okay, in front of 4, okay, if you see AAA, okay, just remember the psychology of other players or other traders or other investors or a smart investors. Okay, say you are an institution, you are managing a fund of say 5,000 crores. You are a mutual fund manager, you are managing a fund of 5,000 crores, and you got a one stock which is cheapest in the valuation with a strong management. Okay, cash rich company. Okay, you know that this company has seen enormous sales. This company results will coming out very strongly. The growth is very much bright. Will you go all in at one price? Okay, say in case, okay, say in case your turn you go all in at one point. Okay, now remember you go all in at one point. Okay, just remember the other 4 people will know that in case you are going all in at one time, which means that they will know that you are having a better card. That's the reason you are going all in at one go. Okay, I repeat, if in case you go all in at one point, the other 4 members can easily know that you are having a better card, and they might pack it out. They might put the card down. Say your investment of 10 lakhs. Okay, okay, now I just come at the volume, considering the volume in the markets. Okay, say you want to buy 10 lakh shares of X company. Okay, 10 lakh share of X company, and average daily volume is of say 15,000 rupees. Okay, average daily volume is a 15,000 rupees. And if you want to buy 10 lakhs at one go, remember, if you want to buy 10 lakhs at one go, you can't buy it out, first thing. Second, in case you go for all in also, you have upper circuit of 20%. So coming back to the table of poker or Teen Patti, if you go all